Could the future of civil engineering be shaped by the rise of machine learning? How might these advanced algorithms transform the way we design, construct, and maintain our built environment? Welcome to a journey into the fascinating intersection of machine learning and civil engineering. Machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, focuses on the development of algorithms and models that enable machines to learn and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. This means machine learning tools can sift through massive data sets, extracting complex patterns and relationships that can be utilized in decision-making and problem-solving. In the second half of the 20th century, machine learning was a theoretical concept, a dream of computer scientists and futurists. But as we stepped into the 21st century, it became a reality, growing from a fledgling field into a dominant force that's shaping multiple industries. Civil engineering, the discipline that designs and constructs our physical and natural environment, is not immune to this influence. In fact, it's being revolutionized by it. Machine learning has the potential to transform civil engineering in a myriad of ways. It can optimize designs, predict failures, and even improve safety. For instance, machine learning can analyze historical data to predict where infrastructure failures might occur. It can also be used to optimize the design of structures, reducing waste and improving efficiency. But it's important to note that machine learning won't replace the civil engineer. Instead, it's set to become an essential tool in their knowledge set. The advancement of technology and the increasing amount of data available have led to the application of machine learning in a variety of fields, including civil engineering. Today, we've explored the evolution of machine learning and its growing influence in civil engineering. We've delved into how these advanced algorithms can optimize designs, predict failures, and improve safety. And we've pondered the future, imagining a world where machine learning is an essential tool in the civil engineer's toolkit. But remember, machine learning is a tool, not a replacement. The future of civil engineering will undoubtedly be shaped by machine learning, but it will always require the expertise, creativity, and ethical judgment of human engineers. So as we look to the future, let's imagine a world where civil engineers and machine learning algorithms work in harmony, creating a built environment that's smarter, safer, and more sustainable than ever before.